Oh, don't get me started on Sophia, Eric. Love that place so much. 8:18 this morning. Rain is the big story, especially for our bayou parishes. We continue to see a street flood advisory around Thibodaux. I would not be surprised if this maybe was upgraded to a flash flood warning. This is back building along a boundary here, and this is heavy, heavy rain. We've already picked up in between 3 to 6 inches, and rain will continue to fall. So flood-prone areas around Thibodaux, Upper Lafourche, and starting to be close to Houma. You need to be watching for flooding this morning. For the metro area, just some light showers here and there. Our rain chances scattered through the next several days. This is classic summer weather as we head into the weekend. Scattered storms, they can be heavy and they can lead to street flooding, so that's just something we have to watch out for this time of year. And your temperatures are going to stay in the 90s. Let's talk about tropics. We have two features, Invest 94 in the Caribbean and Invest 95 that is way out in the Atlantic. Let's start with the one closer to the Caribbean. This is a large area of moisture. It's actually looking fairly healthy this morning. It's just so big and it doesn't have a lot of time over water. It's probably not going to organize much more, but either way, going to bring heavy rain to parts of the Yucatan, Belize, Honduras here in Central America. That's where the heavy rain is going to be moving for the next 3 days, so at least through Saturday. I think by Sunday it's in the Gulf here and it may organize more and head into Mexico. It is not coming here the way it looks with our steering currents right now. This is Invest 95. It does have a much higher chance of becoming a named storm, maybe by this weekend and into next week. By around Monday, I think it's going to be somewhere around the Caribbean islands. So entering the Caribbean, there's the Lesser Antilles, there's the Virgin Islands, there's Puerto Rico, there's the Dominican Republic. So if you have travel plans down here this weekend and specifically early next week, you do need to follow the forecast closely. A bit unusual for late June and early July to have a developing storm this far down to the south, but it looks like it could happen and very well could be a hurricane by the time it gets in this vicinity. Now, beyond that, the big question is where does it want to go? And that's a long ways out. So we're not going to sit here and speculate, and I'm certainly not going to show you every single model run. It's just not very helpful when you're trying to forecast these things. So high pressure is going to be in control as it steers it west. The big question once we get into the middle of next week was where exactly is it going to travel? I mean, we have a model spread all the way from Central America to the Atlantic, and that's not unusual when we're this far out. So the good news is we got plenty of time to watch it, but next week we're certainly going to be watching that thing a bit closer to see what it ends up doing. 7-day forecast for us. There's no tropical threats all the way through the 4th of July, which is next Thursday. Our scattered storms are going to be around each day. Our temperatures will be in the 90s, and it will feel muggy, making it feel like the 100s. Marine forecast, watching for those showers and storms today. They have been producing some gusts of wind. As we head into tomorrow, still some scattered storms and still a few storms possible on Saturday. High tide's going to happen this afternoon, and that low tide happened several hours ago earlier this morning.